Hi Leos, welcome back. This is your special reading for the next 24 hours. So we will be picking few cards for your general energies, your career situation, what is the future outcome, and what are the obstacles you're facing. So I request you to watch this reading till the end, Leos. That way you will get the clarity you are expecting to see today in your situation. So these are the cards for the future outcome, more cards for your circumstances, and the final outcome of this reading. So let's start with this card here. So, Leos, we will start here with this card. It's Page of Wands. So, something is coming for you today, some news or a message. And if you were having some doubts regarding this person, whether you can trust them or not, whether this person is loyal towards you or not, reliable. This person is very much reliable and you can trust this person, and they are coming with some kind of a news or a message, or there is someone, your friend or a family member, who has good regards on this person, so they are going to tell you good things about this person you love. So your trust is being strengthened today about this love. So we have 5 of Swords in reverse. So there may be some worry, something you need to work on. Maybe something is bothering you, stressing you, but you need to understand, Leos, all the efforts that you have made till now. All that is going to change. Your hard work and efforts will never be wasted. So, Leos, whatever you did till now, maybe you were trying hard to bring that understanding, or you were going out of the way helping this person you love to change a few things, but you'd have felt a lack of communication or some misunderstanding in this love, and things are going in a difficult way. Whatever your situation is, maybe this message or a visit from someone, a close friend of yours, is going to change everything, or whatever work you made, whatever efforts you made, all that is going to change the way things are between you both, Leos. So we will see more cards for your situation. It's 6 of Pentacles. So you have 10 of Cups in reverse. So you have people whom you can trust, people who are supporting you, guiding you, really friendly with you, and you really trust them, or they really trust you, they depend on you. So you have good friends or family members who are here to help you and guide you. And there may be some troubles on the way, maybe to build this sense of community or having that good relationship with others. It may take time. There may be a lot of things involved, difficulties involved. But you need to understand that you have people with you who are truly concerned about your welfare, and that may work in a positive way with you. Though you may have some minor misunderstandings, in the long run, you need good friends and family members by your side, people, friends at work, and friends in your personal life who are there for you no matter what your circumstances are, Leos. So we will see more cards. We have 7 of Wands and Knight of Cups. So you are making tremendous efforts, Leos, and that is the reason circumstances are changing. So, someone is coming, someone is visiting you. It may be your person, maybe they are coming for a surprise visit, or it may be someone from your past person. They are coming back to tell you something. So it is going to be a very interesting meeting. Someone is here to surprise you today, and it is going to change the way things are going in this relationship. Maybe if you are in separation, if you are expecting your past person, they are coming back, or if you are single, you are going to find someone very interesting approaching you, or if you are together, this person is going to surprise you with a visit. They are planning something big for you, Leos. So that is the energy here, and all your efforts and your hard work will never be wasted, Leos. You must understand that you are making tremendous efforts, but the efforts you're making is the reason for your success and happiness. So we will see more cards for your circumstances. It's Five of Pentacles and Ace of Cups in reverse. So just like any other relationship, each and every relationship has its own difficulties, but you are together, you have a level of understanding, and you wish to resolve your situation. So sometimes you may feel a little lost or sad, you may feel that you cannot trust them, but we have this card here. The beginning of the reading started with that, Leo. So you must understand that though there are troubles in this love, it takes time for any relationship to take shape or have that depth. So you need to understand that things are going as it should, and you must try to be more understanding, give this situation a little more time for everything to fall into place. So we will see what are the cards for your final outcome. So we have Page of Cups and Strength. So such beautiful cards here, guys. So definitely circumstances are changing. It is going to make you very confident and happy. Someone interesting is visiting you, or someone is coming with news, some good news. It may be your person. So something beautiful is coming for you, because these cards are here in your future outcome. So we have Page of Cups and Strength. So whatever troubles you are seeing today, all that is changing very soon. Circumstances are changing, situation is resolving, everything is going to fall into place just the way you wished for. So that is what I see with these cards for you all, guys, Leos. So it is matter of time before everything goes well as it should, Leos. So that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I will see you next time. Bye, Leos.